Alright, this is going to be a real quick video just to let you know what's going on. An update to Blender. I was watching an official Blender development video the other day, and they said that in Blender 2.8 there isn't going to be the game engine is going to be going away, and did I forget to turn on streamcasting? Make streamcast. Yeah, okay. I'm just building a star here while I'm talking. And the internal Blender render that we've all been using before we discovered cycles is also going away. So we're gonna have to learn how to use cycles. If that's the legitimate plan, at least, that they're really planning on doing, everything that we do for Second Life is gonna have to be done using the cycles render. Okay, what I have just done is built a simple star and made that announcement. If I can find the darn YouTube video, I'll post it in the comments below. Anyhow, thanks very much for watching, and hit the subscribe button and the like button too. Thank you.